Clerodendrum Blue Butterfly is a species of flowering plant in the family of Lamiaceae. It is native to tropical eastern Africa, Kenya and Uganda, and widely cultivated elsewhere. As its common name implies, the plant displays violet blue flowers that resemble a butterfly in flight. This lanky shrub grows to 6 to 10 feet tall, but is not very vigorous and tends to have an anemic green foliage. It has attractive light blue to violet blue pea-like flowers and looks great grown in a container, though containers do best if overwintered in a sheltered location. The plant is easily grown in soils that are moist, well-drained, and have plenty of organic matter. It requires consistent watering and tolerates full sun to part shade, but performs best in part shade. Good companion plant suggestions include trying a location that is in part sun or part shade and pairing with philodendron, variegated arboricola, tibouchina, Cape jasmine, Indian hawthorn, cat's whiskers, blackberry iris, and angel's trumpet. It is easy to grow and quick to establish. Plant it along a fence line, against a trellis, or as a flowering free form bush.